Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you're new to my channel, then you're probably seeing my intro video where I talk about what my channel is about. And the main thing that I focus on is becoming a creative geek. Now, with all of that being said, there were definitely a lot of YouTube channels that not only taught me, but also inspired me to be a better creator. And so today I'm going to be talking about my top 3 YouTube creator channels in 2019, starting with the first one, Video Influencers. This is a channel created by both Sean Connell and Benji Travis. And what this channel does is really teach people how to grow their channel, start their channel from 0 to hundreds of thousands to millions. And what I like about Sean Connell and Benji Travis' approach is the fact that both of them are veterans of YouTube. Sean actually has his own channel called Think Media, where he does something very similar, but he's very heavy on gear reviews as well, which I absolutely love. And he's been doing YouTube for quite a while. If you actually look at his oldest videos, he started like 8 years ago. So definitely knows what's going on, has been through a lot. And similarly for Benji, he's been around on YouTube a long time as well. For him, his channel, he actually loves talking about food and his family. And I'll get into his family part as well. So let's go ahead and look at his oldest videos. And I would say he's been around, about the same time, 8 years as well. And Benji actually has a really big channel with his wife called It's Judy's Life. And this is basically a vlog channel with their entire family. And they started their channel, I think like 9 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. 9 years ago. And what's great about their vlog channel is it's basically the story of how they met, how they started doing YouTube, how they actually became a couple, and finally how they started a family. So amazing stuff, and all of this translates into video influencers. And I really love the experience that they bring, their personalities, and obviously all the valuable information that they provide. So my second YouTube creator channel is Neiman. Now this was a tough one because I really like his brother's channel by Neiman, and he does something very similar to video influencers where he gives a lot of YouTube tips. But the reason why I chose Neiman is the fact that he focuses on how you could be a YouTube content creator by using your smartphone. And this is something that I really promote a lot on my channel, where you don't really need to get a lot of expensive gear. You just simply need to use the best camera that's available with you, and that is your phone. And I love all his tips here, and all of these are very practical and they work. And if you actually watch his videos, they look really good just using his smartphone. And a lot of these tips are the same things that I have done myself whenever I created all my videos using my smartphone. So check out his channel if the only camera that you have is your smartphone and you actually just want to get started, but in a way that looks professional and that's also very entertaining as well. And so my number 1 favorite YouTube creator channel is none other than Roberto Blake. Now he's normally going to be in my top 5 regardless of the year, and this year he is my number 1. And the main reason why I love his channel so much is not just simply the fact that he gives you a lot of tips on how to be a YouTube creator, but what he really focuses on is being a creator. And he is the biggest influence to what I'm doing. And not only that, he actually teaches you how to build an actual business around your actual skills, your creative abilities. And so he's not just a YouTuber. He is a marketer. He is an entrepreneur. He is an influencer, a motivator, a teacher. There's so many things that I love about Roberto Blake's channel, and I highly recommend that you watch his videos, because if you are the type of person who wants to be a creator first and then also build a business around being a creator, then I really feel that there's no better channel out here on YouTube or any other platform. And so those are my top 3 favorite YouTube creator channels in 2019. If you had any thoughts on your own favorite YouTube creator channels, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you actually want to see my own YouTube journey playlist, I will also leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free.
simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.
Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.